Om Swastiastu. Good morning. Today I will discuss about my article, but before we go into it, I will introduce myself. My name is Nyoman Sandhi Semadhi with name 2017051160. So the title of my article is The Effect of Implementing Good Governance to the Quality of Financial Statement. So the first thing I want to say is the background of the research I did. The background I used is about regional autonomy. In order to support the system of government to improve the welfare of the people, currently, regional autonomy has enacted Law Number 32 of 2004 on regional government. Since the enactment of Law Number 30 of 2004 concerning financial balance between the central government and local government, the local government has the authority to manage its regional finance without conflicting with the police of the state Indonesia. The enactment of Law Number 32 of 2004 concerning local governments makes regions have broad authority to carry out their own financial management so that local government have the right to plan, implement, and account for the implementation of APBD to the respective DPRDs. Accountability for regional financial management. It is hoped that with this research, it will contribute to Denpasar regional government, especially generally in realizing regional income and spending effectively and efficiently, and finally, how of the impact of the implementation of good governance on the financial statement in the city Denpasar. So next, I will discuss about the method I use in research. In this research, I used empirical law research method using a theoretic approach and conceptual approach. Empirical law research method is a method consisting of research on legal identification and legal effectiveness. The legal material studied are primary, secondary, and tertiary legal materials. Primary legal materials are sought from data that refers to information obtained from BPKD dan Pasar City. The secondary legal materials are data obtained from literature research by means of study documents or writing that have been published by the author. Secondary data is sourced from books, texts, literature, and legal journals related to regional finance, and tertiary legal material consists of legal dictionaries and writing access over the internet that are still relevant to the problem being studied. So the last I want to discuss is about the result I have with the research. From the data that I collect and look at, implementation of principles of good financial governance in regional financial management in BPKAD dan Pasar City has been implemented in accordance with the mission of the Pasar City, which is realized in the form of community participation in financial management with the implementation of Mersbank Banda, financial transparency with financial management based on SIPKD, financial accountability in the form of preparing financial statement or LK, which is accounted for the CPC, and the existence of budget fairness, where the allocation of APBD is distributed evenly throughout the Pasar City area. So that's all of my presentation. If there are word errors or lack of my presentation, please may apologize. I close this presentation with Parma Santi. Om Santi, 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 Santi.